Inspirefest. I had to have my own entrance. I wasn't happy enough with the one that they gave me. My name is Gráinne Morrison, and I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new initiative from Dublin Airport. I'm here to launch the Future Factory, Dublin Airport's new innovation hub, and it's going to change the way we travel today, and it's going to change the way we travel in the future. Ireland is thriving. Tourism has grown faster than world trade for the last 5 years, and between 2020 and 2030, it will grow another 3.3%. Dublin Airport has a leading role in that. We are a 30 million passenger airport. We have lots of interesting facts to share with you today. We have 2,436 flights to 180 destinations worldwide, including direct to Asia with our new airline partner, Cathay Pacific. So, what's going to happen in the future? The passenger growth will reach 50 million passengers by 2040. You see, we are more than just an airport at Dublin. We are the largest taxi rank, we're the largest car park, we're the largest bus terminal with 1,700 bus movements every single day. That's twice as many aircraft movements. But there's lots of other interesting things that maybe you don't know about Dublin Airport. We have our own species of hare. In fact, one of the funniest stories I've ever heard, and we have plenty of them at Dublin Airport, is when a pilot aborted a landing because he rung into the tower, the aircraft control tower, that he had spotted a baby kangaroo on our runway. We have our own beehives. We have our own bug farm. We are a city. We are not an airport. So, the Future Factory are visionaries, but we are also realists. Every aspect of our being will be centered upon bridging the gap between insight and action. That gap is really, really, really important to us because we really believe in the importance of the human. We think that there is no better enabler to the Future Factory than the exploratory curiosity and imagination of our human. So who is our future human at the airport? They are multinational. Non-Irish passengers will grow quicker than Irish passengers. They will be older as our population is aging. There will be a growth of middle class, and the majority of our passengers will travel alone. Our future airport city will be relevant. We will give our community an opportunity to live their own life in their own story and escape their over-programmed lives. Our future airport will be seamless. Our future airport will be effortless. And most importantly, our future airport will be responsible. I mentioned that we harvest our own honey, and yesterday we harvested 80 kilograms of honey that we will now sell and continue to sell at the airport. Another effortlessly responsible thing that we are doing at Dublin Airport is with our beloved food and beverage partner, Marquette. Recently, we launched a trial Actually, only last week we launched a trial with Marquette on a product called Honest Eats. And Honest Eats is an absolutely ethically effortless product. It relies on the honesty of our humans, of our community at Dublin Airport. You simply go to a fridge unit. I think we have a video. You go to a fridge unit, you can pick what you want, scan, pay, and go without any intervention of the human. What's really, really, really good about this is we're able to then explore the science behind honesty. We are a week into this trial, and I'm happy to tell you today that our airport city is 95% honest. More honest on a Monday than they are on a Sunday, but honest all the same. We have really, really big plans for this product, and we are only at the very beginning of our infancy with it. But we appealed to the great minds of this room to help us build upon the proposition of Honest Eats. So we have a hack that we're going to stage on stage 2 today at 2:30. And we have 8 fantastic finalists that have really good ideas that will all explore and build upon this proposition of honesty. I will end my slot today with an experiment. I'm going to take my glasses off so you can see my eyes. Put your hands up if you think you are an honest person. Put your hands down if you think or you have ever stolen something in your life. Mine was my sister's Wonder Bra on a date. But it did work out in my favor. He's now my husband. Guys, what I will say to you is please go enjoy your lunch, because it is indeed an Honest Eats lunch. Tell us what you think. There is a survey on the app, and we are exploring your honesty on this survey. So please fill it in. Thank you for listening to me today. Thank you.